Hello teacher, this is my video. My name is Pablo Andres Puerta. I am 39 years old. I am from Girardot, Cundinamarca and live in Bogota. My profession is a maintenance technician. My favorite hobby is to play the drum and live by my life with my life and the two daughters. My television program favorite is The Walking Dead and I love play volleyball. Here are three people in my family. One, two, three. My wife is Sonia Gudelo. She is 39 years old. She's a nurse. She's from Bogota. My oldest daughter is Valentina. She's beautiful. She's 12 years old and tall. Here are brown and she has black hair. My second daughter is Melanie. He's 4 years old and has short hair and very sweet. Thank you.